Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to turn off voice. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to turn off voice on Amazon Fire TV, the first method that you can use is turn off voice view using. So to do is simply press and hold the back and the menu button together and hold both buttons for 2 to 3 seconds and release it, and when you release it, the voice stops. Voice narration turns off immediately. Next method is turn off voice from the settings. So simply select settings from the top right corner of your Fire TV home screen, then select voice view and screen reader. Then once that's done, what you need to do is select the voice view option and turn the option to off, and that will turn off the voice immediately. If you don't have a remote, then you can use your phone as a remote as well by installing the Amazon Fire TV app and connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi as the Fire TV. Then simply open up the app, then navigate to the settings by simply tapping on the three-dot icon and then selecting settings and then selecting accessibility, and in there you find the option that says voice view. All you have to do is select it off. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.